Instant camera or Polaroid camera is a camera that can process a photo after the capture. This camera can produce a picture in a short time. Polaroid camera was founded by someone named Edwin Land. This camera sold for the first time in 1948 with 95 Land camera model. In 1928, Edwin Land has found a way to control scattered light vibrations using a magnetic field and microscopic crystal. This invention has a really good application for reducing glare at night. Land received his first patent for synthetic polarizing material in 1933. After dropping out from college, Land partnered with physics instructor George V. Wheelwright and formed Land Wheelwright Laboratories in 1933, and then changed to Polaroid Corporation in 1937.
Polaroid started by grafting polarizer technology into every product, including 3D film. During World War II, Polaroid designed and manufactured many for the armed service, including infrared shooting devices. In 1980, Land retired as the CEO of Polaroid, but remained active in light and color research in collaboration with the Rowland Institute of Science. Edwin Land died at the age of 81 and was buried at Mount Auburn Cemetery in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Nowadays, instant cameras are more rarely used, but the invention from Edwin Land is one of the most meritorious inventions. The proof is Polaroid cameras have photographed many things around the world. The invention by Edwin Land will be remembered by many people.